Welcome to Blue's Garden Tips. It's almost the potato harvest. I planted my potatoes on March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, in 3 25-gallon grow bags and a 10-gallon grow bag. I'm in zone 6A, 7B, right on the edge. This is about 50 days after planting. You see plenty of the greens coming up. I've already hilled up. This is a little closer to 75 days after. Probably about 4 or 5 weeks away from actual harvest. Just starting to see some of the leaves are starting to get a little bit yellow. And this is how you can tell when it's time to harvest is you'll start to see some of the leaves dying off, the stalks start not die off. I've noticed that there is a potato pushed up to the top. It's kind of small, and that's because towards the end is when they get all their growth. This is about 90 days from harvest, and they really are starting to die back now. This is just today, and we're looking at a couple of more weeks, usually somewhere around the first week of July is when I actually flip the bags over. This bag is definitely the one that I'm going to start with first. After that first bag, I'll harvest the second one a week later, the third one a week later, etc. I will immediately replant each bag as soon as I harvest. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.